Hi everybody! Today we are going to make a boat. I really like this one, and I already showed you in the video I bought some new beautiful paper, new colors of paper, and today I am going to use probably yellow. Because it will be easier to see with yellow for you. So I don't need the whole page because I don't want my boat to be huge. So I will fold it in the middle and start with cutting it in halves. So there we go. I will cut a line. And I will need only 1/2. Yes. And I'm going to start folding hamburger way, corner to corner, side to side. Here we go. Now I need my folded line to be here and the opening on the bottom. And I'm going to fold it once more hamburger way. Why do I need to do it? Because I need to have a symmetry line. So because that line is very important, I will really make sure that the line is visible. I will repeat it with my scissors. Here. Yeah. So as soon as I can see this middle line, I will be able to use it, and I'm going to fold from left and right. These little corners are coming to the center. Now I need to work with this bottom part, and first I'm opening it up. And I need to flip my paper. I need to fold these two little corners here, and like in a mirror, these two corners need to go up. They need to go up like that. Okay. Now I'm going to fold this part up. I have a nice triangle, but to keep working I need a diamond. So I will put my fingers inside of this kind of cap. Yeah, if you want a cap you can just use it. Hello. So instead of triangle I'm going to work with diamond now. So here we go. I have a diamond. And the opening is on the bottom again, yeah? So now from this diamond I am going to make even tinier triangle, putting my angles up. Now I have another cap, just much smaller. Maybe it's enough for my snail. Hello. Okay, now I need to see out of triangle, I need to make a diamond again. And now is the most funny and trickiest part. You need to take these two corners, don't touch the middle one. Just take these two corners, pretend that this is your tulip, and you just take two petals. And you need to go sideways. Don't pay attention to the middle part. Just pull these two corners really wide to the side. And now you fold it like this. This is almost it. The only thing you need to do so it will be floating on the water is to open this part up. Ta-da! I really like this boat. It's pretty strong because this is like fuel layers of paper everywhere, and I hope you will have a lot of fun with it. It will for sure float for some times. So this is it. Hope you will have fun with it. Thank you. Bye bye.